Hello there, Red Wing students. In this video, we're going to go through some more features of Google Sites. I'm going to show you how to change some themes and kind of go through some different layout options that you have to add to your pages. So here we're just on the introduction page. On your menu on the right-hand side, if you click on the farthest right tab and themes, you have some themes here to choose from. You can do a custom theme, but that would mean that you're going through a lot of different details. I would choose one of the ones that are already here. So you can see as I click on a different theme, all of the words and kind of the font and how it looks on our page here on the left is going to change. So right now we're on simple. You can go to Aristotle, uh, go to this diplomat, vision, level. So they're all different types of formats that you can go through, or themes. If I go to this simple one, then I can also go through and change kind of your base color that you want to use. And you can change your font style. So let's say I just go back to this simple, and font style, I could go light, classic, heavy. So there isn't a whole lot of options with it, but it is kind of how it's going to separate your site from other kids in your class. Um, then, now that we have a theme picked out, I want to go back to this Insert tab, and I want to talk about kind of these layouts. So these first four things that we've already talked about in another video, if we scroll down, we have these 6 different, they call them content blocks. I'm talking more about like a layout. So if I click somewhere here, and let's say I have 3 things that I want to show and they kind of have titles, I'm going to pull this in right where I want it here. And then I have basically it's split up into 3 different things. Here I can click the add button. I can select an image. I can go to YouTube. I can bring something in from Drive. I could put a map there, right? And then sometimes what you'll do is you'll just put kind of like a subtitle of what is shown here, or the title of a video or a picture or something like that. And then here, this would be a good place to put in a link. Um, I showed you how to do a link in the last video. I will do that again here. Let's just go to Google, and I'll take that link. I'm going to copy it, highlight that link, and then I'm going to click this insert link icon here. I'll apply that. So now that's a link. So let's say you had a picture, you have a title or a description of the picture, and then maybe you want a link to go to the website that that picture is on or something like that. So obviously you don't just have to stick with 3 things. You could do 1 thing with a lot of description. You could have 2 images or videos. You could have just this. You wouldn't have to have descriptions at all. It could just be pictures or something like that. So these are terrific layouts. They're really aesthetically pleasing. You don't have to resize them. They're already kind of in the size that you need to. If you do need to, you can resize them a little bit if you'd like. But right now they're very symmetrical. It's kind of the way that it's set up. And so you have some different options there. So hopefully this video was helpful on how to kind of get things organized on how you want your theme and your layout to look.